Hello everybody, welcome back to the series on Indian mathematics, Ganita Ratna Kosha. In the past few videos, we looked at multiplication techniques for special cases like when two numbers are closer to the same base or the last digits were adding to the 10. In this video, we will look at how we can multiply any two given numbers. Let's start with 2 by 2 digit numbers. Let's say I am multiplying two 2-digit numbers. So let's take the example of 23 multiplied with 24. I will evaluate the answer in parts. So the total number of parts in the answer is always one less than the total number of digits we are multiplying. Since we are multiplying two 2-digit numbers, there are 4 digits here, which are 2, 3 and 2, 4. So the total number of parts will be 3. 4 minus 1, 3. And then I will use a pattern. Let's say the dots represent the two numbers. Come to the pattern in a moment. Now the rightmost part is always product of the rightmost digits. In this case, it will be 3 into 4. The middle part is the sum of the product crisscross. So which will be in this case 2 into 4 plus 2 into 3. So crisscross this way and this way. And the leftmost part is always the product of the leftmost digits, which is 2 times 2 in this case. So this is 12, this is 8 plus 6, 14, and this is 4. Now each part can have only one digit, so the extra digits pass. So this one will get added here and this one will get added here. So this becomes 5, 5 and 2. So 552 is the product of 23 and 24. So if you notice, you can calculate the product in very less number of steps, and the writing space is also reduced with some practice. So let's take one more example. Let's say I was multiplying 32 and 45. One more time I will draw the pattern. The total number of parts are 3. So the rightmost is the product of the rightmost digit. The middle part is the sum of the product, and the leftmost is the product of the leftmost digits. So then evaluating the parts, I will get on the right side it is 2 times 5, which is 10. In the middle it is 3 times 5 plus 4 times 2, which is 15 plus 8, 23, and then leftmost is 3 times 4, 12. Now each part can only have one digit from the right, so the extra digits always pass. So this becomes 14, the leftmost, then 3 plus 1 is 4 and 0. So 1440 is the product of 32 and 45. Let's take one more example. So I was multiplying 71 and 48. Now with some practice I can stop writing the pattern, I will write only the parts. So the leftmost is 8 times 1, which is 8. Now the rightmost is 8 times 1, which is 8. Then it is crisscross, that is 7 into 8 plus 4 into 1, which is 60. And then the leftmost is 7 into 4, 28. So this is how we get the parts. So 8 comes to the answer, 0 comes to the answer, this 6 will get added to 28, so it becomes 34. So 3408 is the product of 71 and 48. Now with some practice I can do the products very quickly. So 34 into 49. I will just write the parts now. So 4 9s is 36. 3 into 9 plus 4 into 4. That's 27 plus 16, which is 43. And 3 into 4, 12. And then I start writing the answer. 6 comes down. This 3 will get added here. So this becomes 46. So 6 goes into the answer. And this 4 gets passed to the next, to the left. So this 12 plus 4 becomes 16. So 1666 is the product of 34 and 49. So this way we should be able to multiply any given two-digit numbers very quickly. I've given some problems in the ebook, and you can also find the workings there. Please do try them out, and for any suggestions or clarification, don't hesitate to write to me. Thank you.